Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing, guys. I'm going to make a Valentine drink. Very easy recipe, nothing too complicated. This one's going to be very easy. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to use some strawberry and mango. So first thing we're going to do is put some strawberry inside of the blender like this. So that's the strawberry. Nice and lovely. Nice one. So basically I put in the strawberry inside of it already. What we're going to do now, because I'm going to be using mango and strawberry, all right, so I'm going to pour some mango juice inside of it, and then we will put a little bit of honey, not too much, just a little bit of honey, little lemon juice, nice one, and I'm gonna put some ice, not too much ice, cover it. Nice one. Then we're going to blend it. Nice and lovely. I must apologize, guys, because it didn't come out red the way I want. So I probably figure it out. I may put too much of the mango juice, so it kill the redness of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it out the same way. Nice and lovely. But as you can see, the full idea of what I'm talking about. Mango and strawberry smoothie. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments below, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. It should come out a little bit more redder, but I might come out with a volume 2. Need more strawberry, so I might come out with volume 2, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe gonna come your way, as you can see. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. See you next time. Bye bye.